Do you ever think about the ways you are sustainable in your everyday life? The issue of global climate change has made us think about sustainable development. With regard to sustainable development, we would like to start with sustainable building and energy efficiency development. In this course, we'll introduce the basic and the latest development of energy conservation and sustainable building. It begins with the introduction of basic concept of thermodynamics and the type of energy, as well as air conditioning equivalent, building energy conservation and validation, and urban wind energy application and development. This course meets Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, Goal 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, and Goal 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. This course was recorded by Lianghan Qian, Kaipeng Li, and Yusuan Wan, who teach in Technology Energy and Refrigerating Air Conditioning Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering, the professors in National Taipei University of Technology, Taiwan. This course is suggested to be taken by everyone that is interested in the energy global warming issue. You can search for this course on FutureLearn. We like to invite you to join our course Sustainable Building and Energy Efficiency Development. We very much hope to see you there.